AwesomeX111 here. So we're gonna make today. We're in this world. That's what we're gonna make. Hey, one sec, guys. There. So we're gonna make an auto furnace. So what you need is 3 hoppers, 3 chests, 1 furnace. So you take some coal. I'm just gonna use black coals. You get some iron or gold, and then if you get food, you can cook it. So what you do is you put down a chest, you shift and put a hopper there, shift and put a furnace on top. Might need some blocks so you can stack up. Put another hopper on top of here, a hopper on top of that. A hopper on the side there, and a hopper on that chest. And then what you do, you put your fuel there, you put your ore and food there, and then whatever it is comes out here. And that's really all you do. It's very easy. I mean, you only have 1 furnace. And I have the Herobrine skin. I wish his arms weren't out. And I got his because I spent $2 on... Hold on, let me find it. I spent $2 on Skinpack 1, which has all of these guys. The Creeper is also one of my favorites. I haven't been the zombie yet. I'll add him to my favorites. Now Skinpack 2 is another one I want, but I didn't. Wait, no, I don't know. Yeah, because it has Enderman, Pig, Sheep, Naked Sheep, Spider, and then I want Skinpack 3 because somewhere it has a skeleton, I'm pretty sure. I think so. I don't know. Yeah, skeleton, a cow, zombie Herobrine, zombie pigman, yeah. But I got 2. I got Skinpack 1, and I got this one, so I could be a baby Ghast or any of these others. Yeah. And then the one on the bottom, that's my brother's character. His favorite's Alex. May remember this for my 4th video, or third or 4th video, the battle with the parkour, and that, and the Wither boss fight. Sorry about my brother. And my house is finished. Why are you crying? Hold on. Okay, so this is my house. I have 2 dark oak doors, cobblestone floor. I have this up here. I have all the normal stuff. And if you don't go down here, bam. And look. No. Okay. Turns out I spawned this when I threw it, which can only happen sometimes. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. And I have a lot of flowers, and I added 2 trees around here. If you didn't see, my horse, my black sheep. My black sheep looks kind of bare at the top. I can fix that. No, I'm building my sheep some more. I made a spider.
No, that is down.
Done.
That is down. That is on. A buyer. A buyer. You see a buyer? And what the
Let's see if my auto furnaces
That's the door.
cooked anything yet. I'm gonna check this one. See, almost the
That's
whole
all.
stack of the food,
That's the door.
and a couple iron ingots. So this one cooked. This one smelted the iron ingots first. This one smelt. Wait, what? There's nothing in there? Wait. Oh, they're all in the hopper. Oops. Should have checked the hoppers. Yeah. So the things in the hopper are waiting. And this is this. It gets you pretty far if you're lucky. Most of the time it does. Yeah, so that should be all for today. So,
Are you
hit that like button. Wait, no, I mean, rephrase that. If you like the video,
I
hit
want
the
the
like
book.
button
I need
and
them.
subscribe. Smash the subscribe button. If you like the video, hit that like button. So, peace.